Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be changing the brake pads on my bike, my back ones. This is what they currently look like. They're really smoothed down, and this is what the newer ones look like. So there's a huge difference, pretty worn down. And so yeah, we're going to be showing you how to do that. My instructions just flew away right now. So on here it's saying, hold on, I gotta get the instructions. So on the instructions, it'll focus, maybe. It's saying, I don't know if you can see this, but there's these washers here, 1, 2, and 3. Those are on the inside of the bike, and then these are on the outside. So I'll show you this. And for this, you're gonna need this bicycle multi-tool. It's just Allen wrench. So here we are. Let's set this up and get to it. So like I said, just do the 3 of them together and then do the 2 on the outside like this, and make sure you have the 2 in your pocket or something like that, or just somewhere where you can get them easily. And so I'm just gonna put this on the back like this, and then scooch that down a little, put this washer on, and then put this one on, this bolt. And it doesn't have to be perfectly straight, you know, and if you can adjust it a little up or down. I think this needs to be just like right here. And then find out what size it is. On this one, it is this size. So just tighten that and make sure it's straight while you're doing it. And there you go. There's the brake pads on that side. And you might have to adjust it if it's like too much or too little, but there you go. The other side is self-explanatory, so I don't have to do that. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.